Hello, welcome to a damp hill somewhere in the Yorkshire Dales. We've come here for a short vacation. We really enjoy it here, but what I really want to say is that this is going to be the first of a series of quite short videos over the next few weeks from this area. Quite short for a couple of reasons. One, I don't have the real time to edit long ones, and two, I've got an internet connection that's as slow as a carrier pigeon. So anything big just won't get uploaded. I want to talk about the big lens. What I have here is the 40 to 150 zoom, pro zoom, f2.8, and it is by far and away my favourite lens for using for landscape photography. I've got the opportunity of just looking out onto a hillside or field anywhere and picking up a piece of detail and zooming in on it and making a shot like that. And it's one of the easiest ways you will get good quality landscape shots in situations like this, because you can just pick up the detail. So for instance, over here I'm focused in on a cow house, as they call it in these parts. To you and me it's a barn. Lovely shot on the hillside. Zoomed in to what am I zoomed in at? 106mm. Manages to get it into the kind of lower third. It's just a nice shot that I wouldn't be able to get with a, what's the word? I can't think of the word. Hey, wide angle, that's it. And similarly, over here, we've got 3 cow houses in a row heading up towards the kind of intersection of valleys and such, and I managed to get those 3 cow houses a shot. Nice kind of slight compression on it, kind of 100mm again, something like that. If you've got a longer lens, a kind of 70 to 200, which is a brilliant lens for this, take it out with you, get some stunning shots, and if you put them up online somewhere, send me a link to them. Anyway, here's these 2 shots. I hope you like them.